If Steam is giving you a connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick fix that solves one of the most common causes in just a few minutes. This is a simple method that can help Steam reconnect properly by refreshing your download settings and clearing old cache data that may be causing the problem. So if Steam won't connect, won't load properly, or keeps acting up when you try to download or update games, stick with me and follow these steps exactly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on Steam. This opens the main menu where all of the important app settings are stored. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into Steam's settings panel where you can adjust the network and download options that may be affecting your connection. Now, in the left-hand sidebar, click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles game downloads, update traffic, and cache behavior, so it's the perfect place to troubleshoot connection-related issues. Next, find the download region setting. If your current region is having server issues, changing it can often restore a stable connection immediately. Click the drop-down and choose a different region that is close to you, or try a nearby location with a different server path. After that, look for the Clear Download Cache option. Click it to remove old temporary files that may be causing Steam to get stuck or fail to connect properly. Steam may ask you to confirm this action, and that is completely normal. Go ahead and confirm the cache clear. Once that process is done, Steam will likely need to restart, so close it fully and open it again. Restarting Steam is an important final step because it allows the new download region and cleared cache to take effect. After Steam reloads, sign in again if needed and test the connection by opening the store, checking your library, or trying a download. In many cases, this simple refresh fixes the error right away. If the issue is still there, you can repeat the steps and try a different download region again, since the problem may just be with a specific server location. The main thing is that changing the download region and clearing the download cache gives Steam a fresh start and resolves many common connection errors without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So to recap, open Steam, go to Settings, open Downloads, change the download region, clear the download cache, and restart Steam. That's it. A quick and effective fix for a Steam connection error. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy fixes like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.